Hey, do you really hate Flangus and how muddy it can be sometimes? I got your back. So, the main problem with Flangus, I will demonstrate with Flangus and ProQ3. So, when you turn on the wet knob, you can put a whatever invert phase or in regular. You see, it sounds stereo. It's what you want because you don't want it to sound flat. Because you don't want to sound flat. But the thing is, so when you have only the wet signal, um, it's still producing in this midfield, and it's like disgusting, and it sounds disgusting. So what do you do? What are you supposed to do? Deal with it? Yeah. If you're a pussy, if you actually want to like fix that issue, I would show you how with Patcher. I love Patcher. It's probably like my most used like thing in FL Studio besides the sampler. Duh. Um, it's kind of a complicated thing at first sight, but it's really not that hard, especially because I'll just show you like what to do. What you want to do, put this audio input and connect it to the audio output, so you still have your dry signal. And then what you want to do, that's a lot of plugins. Jesus fucking Christ. You want to add Flangus into here, so you can also just do with this selected, you can do F8 and then type Flangus and then click and drag it like that, and then you want to do that again, F8, and you want to look at Patcher. Don't be fooled. Don't use the Patcher on the left side. Use the Patcher on the right side because this is for instruments and this one is for like the effects, and you don't want to use an instrument Patcher. Anyways, you want to, you actually want to click on this Patcher so you have another Patcher within a Patcher. And then you want to right click on presets. Ignore ignore that. And then you want to go under filter and mid-side EQ. If your FL version doesn't have this, which I likely doubt, but in case it doesn't, good luck. Anyways, you want to delete the one that says mid because it's mid. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Anyways, you just want to keep these two, the side, the one that's named side. You can close out of it, and then connect these two, and then connect these two, and then you want to make sure the dry is all the way to the center, so 0%, and now you only have the Flangus affecting the middle, you have the Flangus only affecting the sides of your sample, not in the middle, so it's a lot less ugly. The best part about this is you can have the wet like all the way up without sounding like shit. You could also add in a fruity balance to like if you're too lazy to change this knob for some reason and you think this is better. Yeah, that's really it.